The Interactive Learning Center, or ILC, offers both academic spaces and dining options. On the first floor is a space where you'll find tons of food choices. Whether you're craving a full meal or just need a quick snack between classes, you'll have plenty of choices here. In regards to academics, the Interactive Learning Center features classrooms, a lecture hall, and study rooms that you can reserve for free, making it a great space for you to meet up for group projects or to find a quiet spot to focus. The Zone, located in here, is an IT support center where students can get help with any tech issues they might encounter, from fixing laptops to connecting to campus Wi-Fi, as well as checking out equipment like laptops, iPads, GoPros, and more. Located across from us is the Simplot Micron Advising and Success Hub, also known as the SMASH building. This is the home to our testing center where students can take proctored exams, as well as the Global Learning Office who oversees study abroad. Our study abroad team offers programs that range from a few weeks to a full academic year, with opportunities in over 60 countries. Some popular study abroad destinations for Broncos include England, Australia, Spain, and Italy. This office even provides passport assistance and specialized advising to help you find the right program for your major. For our students who might be undeclared, our third most popular major, this building has our undeclared advisors who can help students ensure that the major they pick will align with those career and those life goals. Lastly, we'll talk about the Education Building. This space is home to the College of Education, which prepares students for careers in teaching, counseling, and educational leadership. This building also has tons of beautiful study spots with a great view of the river. Don't let the names of our buildings fool you. The majority of our students will take classes in all buildings throughout campus. Math students will take classes in the Education Building, engineers will take classes in the Business Building, and so on and so forth. Our next stop will be on the farthest edge of campus, the Micron Business and Economics Building, where we will discuss all things academics.